Crypto trade of the day, ladies and gentlemen. We're back in action today, Tuesday morning. We want to talk about the Cardano that's on the menu. We're really ready. We're ready to pick it up. It's time. I feel like it's time. It's been triggered, a new position. As price action was breaking above 35.90, that was our trigger. And it did that a couple of days ago, but I wanted to make sure that it's going to base itself above that area, and it did. I mean, you can look at yesterday. You know, yesterday was, well, it was on the back foot right at the beginning of the day, but price action pulled back up, right? And that's a clear sign that 35.90 is a tough support level now, right? It's been a resistance up until the breakout, and then price action was kind of testing you know, the toughness of that level, and it held. It held very well. And even today, if you take a close look, price action actually was trying to challenge that level right off the bat today, and obviously pulled back up, and now looks completely different. It looks positive. Looks like it wants to continue and, you know, keep marching forward. And it makes sense, right? Because I feel like what we had here over the last, I want to say 3 weeks or so, was a form of technical correction, right? The technical correction started on the top and was a big drop, a couple of days, 2-3 days, big drop, and then, you know, like 20 days of basically bottoming out, right? So pricing was kind of taking its time, stabilizing itself after the drop, trading sideways for a while, and now it's turning around. Now, this is still a bit of a risky play because price action hadn't broken above 37.63 yet. I do believe it's coming. I believe it's, you know, it's right around the corner. But that's why we're going to start small and increase the position size once we get that breakout secured, right? So once price action secure that breakout 37.63, that's where we're going to get more aggressive and build a bigger size position. I want to show you the big picture, which is the weekly chart. Take a look at this. Trading range goes back to the end of June. Since late June, price action is actually trading sideways in a larger scale. And now, after the technical correction is over, we suspect it's going to start a new push forward, but this time it will make it to the other side of the range, which means 42.31. So that's going to be our official target. Our official profit target is going to be 42.31. That's 0.4231. And later down the road, we might even implement more of an ambitious target, which is going to be 0.4607 if you want to be precise. That's a Fibonacci projection measurement taken on the previous downside move from top to bottom. From top to bottom, that's going to be 161.8. Also happens to be slightly above the previous major high from mid-July. So kind of fits the narrative, if you will. So without any further ado, let's go right ahead and type that trade right in. All right, here we go. Our trading platform now. We're looking at the Cardano. That's ADA USD, as you can see. And we're ready to fire off a new position. So we're going to open a buy order, right? That's the Cardano. I think we can start with 0.5, $50,000 position. Let's talk about a little bit about the stop loss level first, because the stop loss level is going to have to be around 33.50, right? Around 33.50. Let's take a look at that. So stop loss level is going to be 33.50. We want to make sure that's gonna represent a loss of $174, if that's going to be the case, of course. And we said take profit order. The target is going to be 0.4231. So let's type that in. That represents $266 of profit. That seems to be fine to me. According to my risk preferences, my risk profile, if you will. And I'm just going to push the buy button, and there you go. We got a new position in place, Cardano. It's going to be super interesting to follow up on this. We'll come back and we'll keep you posted, of course. That's about that for today. Hope you enjoyed the rest of it. We're going to be back tomorrow, same time, same place.